Hello YouTubers! Today I'm busy with the E36 track car and we have to make a sunroof delete panel because I striped the whole car and now I have bought this aluminium plate. I'm gonna cut it in the right dimensions, and with the tools I have I'm gonna make it a carbon look and try to fit it and have it water leak free. So let's start with making a shape of the sunroof in the aluminium panel. Okay guys, so I have the measurements. For the long side I took 91.5 centimeters. On both sides I have 2.5 centimeters over on both sides, and for the short side I have 55 centimeters. To round the edges I took some round thing that almost the right shape, and I just take it over. So now it's time to cut it. I have a saw like this with a metal blade. So I cut it and then replace it to make the holes. So now I cut out the panel and rounded the edges. Also I smoothed a little bit the cutting line. And now my measurements, because I have 2.5 centimeters over on both sides, I measured 2.5 centimeters, and on the front also. Also I write down front. And now I'm gonna flip it on the roof and tape it so we can make the holes to fit. Right now we are on the inside of the car. I just put it on top with the white paper underneath, and now you can see the front. I wrote it down, so we put it on the front, and the line from 2.5 centimeters we took, you can see, and we have to put it straight with the opening from the sunroof on both sides, you see, and on the other side also. We have to straighten it down, and then we tape it so we can put the holes in the car. So now it's all taped up, and I make the measurements for where to cut the holes, and I think it's about 8 centimeters every time. So 8 centimeter, 8, and so go round. So now I'm gonna drill the holes and pop in the nails. So now we made the holes all around. On the panel I just removed the protective film. I wrote down again with the paper tape the front. Now we can choose, you just can place it like this, but I prefer, because my interior is all with a carbon look, so I will wrap it with the carbon look and have the glossy side inside the car. So now I have my carbon film on the roof, see? For me it's pretty good outcome. So now we're cleaning the edge and putting some silicone on the inside and between the holes, and then put the roof on top. I still got my front, so I know where to put it. So now the silicone glue, I put it on, so let's put on the roof. So now I put the roof on top and put the nails already in, and now I'm gonna make it a perfect fit. Make sure you push the silicone good to the roof, and now it's time to finish it. So I popped the nails in, no problems, everything was fine. The holes were perfect because we drilled it together, And now we let it dry, but we have a perfect sunroof, carbon look. Also on the inside, it's an aluminium plate. You can put stickers on it or whatever, or even wrap it also in carbon for the inside. And you see the silicone glue is coming everywhere out, so I don't think we will have water inside. Otherwise I can put some more inside on the edge, some more silicone, but it's quite perfect. I'm very happy with the result. So this was the video for now. I take a cold beer and see you next time.